Hello again. After such a foggy start, it was hard to believe that blue skies were not too far away. And when those rays got to work, they pushed the city from a very low start of 3.8 to a much more respectable 15.9. For many suburbs, the fog hung around into the afternoon. This is the Basin at midday and Mornington at 1 p.m. Avalon had the coldest start to the day, dropping to 0.8, and Geelong wasn't far behind it. It dipped to 1.5. Most spots fell to just 2 degrees. Then this afternoon, northern and eastern suburbs warmed up to 15 or 16, but just 12 or 13 in the west. Once again, the northeast was the coldest part of the state this morning and in fact on par with alpine resorts. Wangaratta and Rutherglen dropped to -3 but rebounded to reach 16 and 17. A high pressure system kept things calm and clear today, but that will be short-lived as a front approaches from the west. It delivered 25 millimetres of rain to Perth yesterday, but we're expecting much lower totals by the time it reaches Victoria. Winds will strengthen ahead of the front before it moves into western districts around midday tomorrow. Sydney's had more rain today with 27 millimetres falling since the early hours, but it should be dry tomorrow with a top of 16. Brisbane's heading for 21, Canberra 13, Hobart and Adelaide 14, sunny skies for Perth and a top of 18. Back home, it'll be another very cold morning through the north with a frost warning in place for the northern country and northeast districts. Wodonga and Wangaratta are forecast to drop to 0. Then winds will strengthen from the west and cloud will increase before showers cross our western border around lunchtime. Warrnambool is forecast to receive around 5 millimetres by midnight, but they're not expected to reach central areas until the early hours of Tuesday morning. Gippsland will be the warmest part of the state with maximums of 15, a degree or 2 cooler for most other spots and just 10 at Ballarat. Around Melbourne, most spots can expect minimums of 5 and 6, 4 at Yarra Glen. Then under increasing cloud and gustily northerly breezes, it should reach 14 or 15 in the afternoon, 13 at Melton. For the city, a low of 6 and a top of 14. Showers will arrive in the early hours of Tuesday, with most of the 8 millimetres falling during the morning, and it'll be our coldest day of the week, just 12 degrees. 13 on Wednesday with showers easing, 14 for the next 3 days with showers developing on Saturday. They'll be heavier on Sunday, up to 10 millimetres and just 13 degrees. A top of 14 on the way tomorrow after an overnight low of 6. There'll be breaks of sunshine throughout the day, but it will become quite windy. Then brace yourself for that real winter chill on Tuesday, Alicia.
We need more of today.
Absolutely, we do.
Steph, thank you very much for that. And that is 9 News this Sunday. A reminder for you, 9's exclusive coverage of Wimbledon starts at 10:30 after the late news. Have a great evening. For now, good night.